That's a baby, babe. That's maybe
13.
It's that.
It's actually a white trout, is it?
Yeah.
Or is it a speck?
No,
it's
it's
a
a
speck.
speck.
Yeah. Make sure you show them to the camera. Number one.
Number one on the board. I wonder if it's a redfish. It might be a red. Yeah, that definitely is a redfish or a catfish. I think it's a red. You need a net.
That's a redfish. Heck yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of that one.
Oh, good job, babe.
First one on the pickle crawl, or the pickle shrimp, I should say. Oh, I got one.
Nice. Yeah, definitely a trout.
That's a bass.
That's a bass. Okay. Maybe that was a bass that hit me.
Yeah. Guess what? He's going in the box too.
Heck yeah.
We caught redfish, trout, and now bass. All on the ditch pickle baits today.
Yeah, baits are doing good. That's definitely a trout.
All right.
Measure. Oh, I think I got bit right.
He might be. Oh, I got him. Look.
Yeah, you got him. I know you're gonna catch
He's
him.
trying to.
I believe in you. Believe that you can catch him.
Like you like to say, he's playing with my life.
It is. Played me big time.
Oh, yeah, I got him.
I told you, now you got him. It's those baby ones.
Yep.
They're the ones that play around too much.
That first bite I had further back looked like a bigger fish. I'm surprised I ain't got a bite yet.
I don't think they're that far out. They probably maybe a little bit closer to the boat. But oh, nice.
That's a good one.
That's a keeper.
If that's a trout, that's a big trout.
Or that's a
Might be a
redfish. Oh, cool. They can watch you
It's
catch
kind
a
of pulling like a redfish. He ain't come up yet. What do we have? Oh, it is a redfish.
You need that net?
I got him. I just let this one.
Okay. That might be a keeper, Red. How many? Oh,
I might need the net.
Hold on.
Let's see, I got him.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, you make him in there.
Yeah!
Nice.
Second redfish of the day. On that pickle shrimp, man, that ditch pickle shrimp.
How many inches can we keep?
He's gotta be 18. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
That's the perfect eating size right there.
Yeah.
Swing him early. Yep, right now. Yep.
Oh, I think that's a keeper.
Throw him on the stick.
He looks long and skinny.
Yeah, like that one I just caught.
Yeah.
Yeah, throw a popcorn and catch him on that trout. I'll do it too. Just throw him on there. Let's put it right there. Okay, he's gonna make it. Look, you gotta make sure his nose touches. I mean, yeah, he's touching. He's all the way up. Yeah, he's good. That one I just caught was like carbon copy of that. You liking that carp?
Yeah. You gotta let it, you pop it, but they're not gonna bite it. Like, you know,
You want it to sit still?
you gotta let it sit still, then pop it. And
I'm reeling.
they're not biting it very hard, let me tell you. But once they take it underneath, they go. Orange baits are working out well.
But I just had, it was definitely a bass. Real bass fish.
I think he fell in the boat this time, but I don't think he's gonna keep her.
Yours is a keeper?
I don't think mine's a keeper.
Yeah, mine's not.
He's kind of, yeah, see, look at him. Kind of,
Show him to the camera before you throw him.
hello, buddy.
Well, that was cool. We doubled up. I don't know. Check him. He might go. He's gonna be close.
No, he's not even.
He's only a half-inch short.
Not too bad though.
Got one. Oh, that's a redfish, babe.
You gonna need a net probably for that one.
Oh yeah, that's a red. You want to reel him?
No, you reel
Go
them.
get him.
Hell no, you reel them. I want a net.
He's charging the boat. Come get the rod.
Bruh.
Come get the rod.
I'm trying to show him, girl.
Look. There, just keep. There you go. He's pretty big. Yeah. Oh, you reeled it all the way up.
Yeah, I know. I couldn't.
Let's do slack one. Before we break a rod. All right, girlfriend's first redfish of the day.
That was cheating.
Let's see if he keeps. He should.
I guess you were closer to the bank, huh?
Was, yeah. Oh, measure him. All right. Yep. 18 and a half, so he's going in the box. Well, that's a good eating size redfish right there. Can't wait to cook him up on the grill. Box is getting a few fish in there. That one was on the white with the pink tail. I don't really think at this point the color really matters too much, just as long as it's white, because there's a lot of shad and shrimp in the area, so keep catching them. Look where I'm at.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna toss it a little bit further on the side. Get him, babe.
Oh, I missed it.
Told you, they keep playing with our lives over here.
Might be able to put the power.
Yeah, you got him. I know you're gonna catch him.
Right.
I believe in you. I believe that you can catch him.
Like you like to say, playing with my life.
It is. Played me big time.
Oh!
I told you, now you got them. It's those baby ones. They're the ones that play around too much.
That first bite I had further back looked like a bigger fish. Yeah, I got you. Oh, you got it.
Oh, yeah, that's a little one. I don't even know if he's gonna make it.
It's almost every cast on that.
Oh yeah, look.
Shrimp.
You don't really see any bait moving, but the trout are right here.
Oh,
They do that. That's the babies. That's babies all the way. That's definitely shorter than 13 inches.
redfish like it best when you're not looking at the cork. You gotta look away. That's when they take it under. They surprise you. That's what they like to do. That's how they play life. Alright, see? You gonna clean all those things?
Sure.
Huh?
Sure.
Sure? You know what you're doing?
No. I figure it out, baby. I've seen you do it plenty of times. Certain way you hold it.
I don't know if I'll be able to clean them today if it's raining by the time we get home.
So nice. That's definitely a shower. Might be a little baby. Does it feel like a baby?
But he's in a different spot though. It's a baby!
Yeah. I don't know if he'll make the cut. I don't think so.
He's a little small.
He'll get bigger. Maybe by the time we come back in a few weeks, they'll be.
Glad we found a few fish because I feel a lot better about this area now. There'll be more of them show up. Check that out, y'all. That is the USS Kidd, a destroyer from World War II. I bet that boat has some stories. Alright guys, so that's all we have time to do for today. We got some rain coming, so we got to get out of here. But all in all, it was a fun day. We caught some bass, or a bass, a few redfish, and some speckled trout. Mostly small ones, but we got a few for the box. Get to take home a couple, eat a few of them, do some redfish, blackened redfish, so that would be real nice. So one thing I wanted to tell y'all guys, if you haven't already checked out our prior video, go swing by that. We have a 20% off coupon code for ditch pickle baits. And then also too, we're having a giveaway. We're giving away a bunch of plastics and a few baits for ditch pickle baits. So y'all go check that video out too, and make sure y'all get entered in to win for that. And until next time, we'll see y'all. Peace.